All right, one more TOS on demand, paper money trading practice. I'm not a financial advisor or anything of that sort. I am just training and back testing a strategy, hyper scalping with paper money. Again, this is fake money, but TOS, Thinkorswim, provides something called on demand, which is in addition to the simulator. The simulator is very laggy, so I don't use a simulator. Really, it's one of the worst simulators in the whole industry. But they do have a very cool feature with on demand, which allows you to go back in time. So I have a list of a bunch of stocks that fellow traders traded in the past. So I keep a list of those stocks, and what I'm going to also share in the description below with a date that it moved. It can move up or down. This day, this thing's pushing higher. You can't see the news of the day, but I know there was volatility, so that's a good place to start. This is really high price stock, but I'm gonna try to trade it no matter what, just for the sake of practice. This is my intended full size in the future, so I'm gonna just start tracing some levels. First thing I like to do is go to the daily chart and see where the 200 EMA line is. It is way low, but I'm gonna mark it anyway. So it's above, straight and above the 200 EMA, which is a good thing. So let's see what's the ceiling here. This thing just jumped from, wow, from like $4 to 24. Let's see if this seems to be, because it's on the 3-year day. Let me see if it's a new highs. The high of this candle here is 25. Wow, it made a new high. 25, wow. 25.05. So it's trading right now at 20. So it almost broke the high, the highest high of its history. So I'm gonna put this in blue. So remember that that's blue skies after that. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay, cool. We're pretty close there. So I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute because there's no other spots higher than that. So to mark. So there's no resistance above 25.05. So I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute. Let me trace some high levels here, some main levels on the 5. On the 5 minute, 24.19 is the high of pre-market. So I usually give myself 10 minutes to do this this thing. So this marking level. So I'm at West Coast time, Pacific time. So instead of 9:23 in the morning for 9:30 the bell, this is 6:23 because we're 3 hours behind. So let's go low 18.20. I'm a little nervous to trade big size with this because this is high price stock. So let's see what does this do. Low 20.29. I like that low. I don't mark the lows of the last because these are the levels that this candle came to test. So I feel like this low here is more important than these lows. I would still mark it low 1994. And one more thing too that's kind of sucky about this on demand thing is that it does not allow you to do two things. It does not allow you to trade pre-market, so I can't put any trades in right now, and it does not allow you to trade on the first minute candle, on the first minute of the open. I don't know if it's to mitigate risk and to like teach you how to stay out of trouble, but yeah, you can't come in on those candles. So high 22.11, high 22.11. Wow, it hit right in the head. Double top right there. So now that I have my levels kind of traced, I will, let me go on this one here, 1670. I'm only going to trace this one because it's still above VWAP. So if it comes down to retest VWAP, I like to load this level here and this one here too, 1601. It's a good level to have. Just makes sense on the chart, you know. Whenever you see something that makes sense, just go for it. Whatever makes you feel like you're understanding what's going on a little better, you know. Have the MACD here on the bottom. and the volume bars. See how this goes. I'm gonna get this closer to the opening bell, so we don't have to wait. And let's go. Sometimes it gets a little laggy in a way that the price ladder will behave normally, but then the candles will not. The candles will literally lag, and then you have the whole action going on the ladder. So I don't like to trade blind like that, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 30 seconds for the bell. High, the previous scan is 2150. Leave it spready like this. 5 cents. 5 cents difference on the spread ladder. I don't like it. See? 2 cents. I'm going to leave 2 cents. Let's see if that plays well. I'm going to keep an eye on it. 1 second to the bell. The bell rang. Let's go. Every 2 cents. Wow, the spreads are tight on this one. Wow, we dropped big time. I'm going to leave 5 cents. I'm going to leave it at 5 cents. Okay, so 20 held. All right. Max loss here is $1,000. $1,000 max loss. Again, I can't come in on the first candle, which is very frustrating. Maybe save me some big losses right now, but let's see. For 20 seconds, the timer is here. It's not there. This is the real time right now. And this is the time back when you're playing. So let's see if he's going to hold. Ooh, this is a HaltDown. Oh, a false halt. Let's see if I can buy this false halt. There you go. See if he reclaims 19. He's going to fly away, guys. I'm going to get out. Well, that was a false halt. $94. A little too late, but I think we're going to go. Okay. I wanted to buy the base of 19, like right there. See if this holds 19. Nope. Little dip. I think it's going to rip now. Highest 19. Man, this is so wiggly. It's hard to tell. Okay, right under 19. I like this position. Let me see if he's going to run. 1908. Oh, man, this is so whippy. It's hard. Okay, low 19s. Okay, I feel like the bid tightened up for a second there, but it did not pull back out. Got that dip. It's not holding 19. Oh, I'm out. Okay. Man, I like that look at that candle. We're going to let things kind of like calm down for a second, unless I see something interesting, but right in the 19 area. Let's see. 19 is trying to hold. Twelve seconds for the next candle. Let's go. Previous 1947. I'm going to give it a chance for 19 to hold. Give it a chance for 19 to hold. And I'm going to probably sell at 1950. If you go, I'm out. I got a bail. It did not hold. I'm going to try a little lower entry. Man, 19 is not holding up. High the previous scan, 1935. I'm out. See if I get a little under here. Man, highs 24. Okay. Okay, I'm out there. Okay. Trade history. It's not showing my fills. My cat just came in right in front of my computer right now. Can't see anything. You're gonna cost me money, little girl. Okay. Bought high right there. I don't know if I like that. I gotta have to hold. Ooh, got into a halt. 2140. I love this script right here. By the way, I'm gonna put this script down for you guys in the description too. It tells you the halt down and halt up levels, and it's the best written script for Thinkorswim when it comes to those levels. If you trade for a little bit or you're starting to trade, one thing you might know or is going to get to know is that the information for that level, that type of data, comes only paid for. You have to pay for to have this data. And I found this somewhere online, the script. So I'm going to leave this for you guys and for whoever wants to get it. It's pretty good. So it's usually 5 minutes halt. This candle's at 9:34. So at 9:39, it resumes. So we can come here. I'm going to put 9:38. It should resume at 9:39. So let's see how it looks if it resumes. Oh, God. Oh, he resumed lower. Let's see if he rebounds. Nice rebound, man. Wow, resumed way lower. Like, way lower. This is insane. Wow. I don't know if it's time to get too aggressive here, but I made some money, so I'm going to get a little bigger. Let's see if he holds 21. Nice. 21.18 is a halt up. 21.18, they went to 21.40 and then the halt. So almost like a false halt. See if it go a dip within the rip. I like that right there. I'm out. I can't see my fills. For some reason, that's not really happening. So, okay. I don't really like that fill, but I think it's going to bust through 21. Nope. Not this time. Still didn't break to 21. It's trying to, though. Ah, but a kind of high. Oh, man. It's trying to go. It's trying to bust it, dude. Like, there's a lot of power. A lot of selling pressure, though, right there. The low of this candle is 20. Let's go for the break. You gotta hold. Time and sales are kind of slowing down, so I'm getting out of here. Man, there's gotta be some hidden buyers there because this thing wants to go bad. There you go. There you go. That was a nice push. Is it gonna 22.31 is the halt level. Okay, I got in, got out. I don't think the wicks are following the action. See how the ladder is showing 18 bucks and then the wicks are kind of stopping. That's somebody start like trading blind, and I don't dig that. You know, it's a little too much. See if he holds. 17. Okay, bottom of 19s. Let's see if he reclaims the 50s. There you go. See if you're gonna go 75s. Nice. I'm out. I am out. Oh man, I should have made way better money than I just did. Okay, I think the wig's caught up. Okay. 19 is holding a little bit. I don't like the look of that candle though. right under 19. That's the entry that I got that was pretty good last time. So 1895 is the average. That's a halt down. False halt. Nope, halt down. 1827. They halted at 1854. So these levels are not perfect, I'll tell you that. But it gets really close. Really close. So whenever it's trading close to these levels, you gotta, like, you saved me a few times. So that was a halt down at 943. So 5 will be 48. So I'm gonna go 47 here. Give us a few seconds to get this chart all figured out. It's glitchy. It is glitchy, but it's better than not getting your orders filled at all. At all when it comes to the TOS simulator. TOS simulator is the worst. Can't trade. You can't trade whatsoever. So this is like 10, 15 seconds should come in. I think I'm gonna buy this. If it comes here to test this, I'm gonna get a couple of 900 lots in. Let's see. Should resume at any point right now. I like to buy dips. Buy the red on the tape. Sometimes you get caught. Sometimes you're trying to catch a falling knife, but good sometimes. If you're patient enough, you get a really good entry. Still haven't figured out how to add with confidence, but when I double click on the dip, that's when I get a bigger size. Usually when I add going up, I break even. But let's see. It should come in soon. Unless it was a 10-minute halt because of the increased crazy volatility. Sometimes a 10-minute halt. Let's see. It might resume at the end of the minute. Let's see, 2 more minutes, 2 more seconds. Yeah, it should. 42 plus 8 plus 547. 42. Yeah, it's not. Got a 10-minute halt. This is gonna mess up the whole thing because I don't want to make you guys wait. So I'm gonna pause this. Fuck, man. I'm gonna go a couple more minutes in the front. But if he goes, then he goes. Let's see. I just don't want to mess up the stream. Seems kind of laggy. Seems like this still stuck. Well, I gotta be stuck in a halt, I guess, right? I mean, I don't have a position open, and I think I was not able to get out because I was in, and then I clicked sell, and it sold me out. But in reality, that would have locked me in there. So if this is 42, then 52 would be 10 minutes. So 52 is 10 minutes. It should unlock like very soon. Very soon. So I don't know what's going on. And it would be a shame to have you guys waited this long and not have this resume. But 52, 42, 52. So that's 10 minutes. Could be a 10-minute halt. Let's see. That is a lot of volatility, dudes. And dudettes. Man, this is more than a 10-minute halt. This is incredible. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Oh, I buy that dip. I buy that dip. Buy that dip. I'm going to hold it. Hold that. I'm going to hold that. I'm going to hold 18. I had the money. Just the thing when I add, that's when I get confused and usually goes against me. So still trying to figure it out, like buying against the dip, you know, and adding, and it goes up. Sounds like it's gonna break the apex point. Everything or nothing now, kind of high. Nice. When I hold for that break, hold for that break. So the retest of like 1876 or so. 1790. I'm really well positioned. I'm under 18. This thing is 18, 20, 25. I'm going to hold the high of this candle, 1853. I'm going to hold for the reversal. And if it doesn't, I'm going to just put an order out for break even. I think it's going to reverse. There's 9 seconds to this candle. 5 seconds to the candle. It should go. Should go. Retest. Okay, I'm out. I can't wait this long. All right. I caught that one. That was a good pop. The dip within the rip. 1 bar pullback. That's a nice reversal. Wow, this thing's strong. Just hit the EMA. It's funny how many things you gotta look for. How many things you have to look for. It's gotta be insane. If you're gonna hold 19, again, the battle of the 19. The battle of the 19, man. Ah, you went. You went. High. There it is, go. I'm out. It's looking very iffy. High 1935. 20 seconds is gonna go. Nice. That is a nice pop. So that's 1, 2 candles, 2 green candles in a row. With a bottoming tail hammer here. Man, that's a good push. And this is still backside. Mac didn't even cross up. Yeah, this is gonna halt. This is halt. Halting up. Yep. Wow, how many halts this thing has. So that last one was a 10-minute halt. This one is going to probably be another 10-minute halt. Let's see. So 9:57, that would be 10:03, 02, 7:02 in this case here. I didn't look. I didn't look. I didn't look. Okay, let's see. This should be, if it's 5 seconds, if it's 5 minutes, then on the turn of 7:02, that should go. That should go. So I'm getting used to bigger spreads now. Actually, I like it. I don't know, for some reason, when it's not thickly traded, I can actually, make a better, it's better judgment, you know. So let's see. Let's see what he does. So if this, I gotta wait. Oh, there you go. Dip within the rip. Let's see. Nice. Got the dip within the rip by the bottom of that. The rebound of the, oh my God, of the halt. Low was 1908, went down there. My levels are being pretty respected, which is a good thing. Oh man, this thing's gonna fly away. There you go. Nice entry. Fuck, this thing's gonna halt up again. Halt up. Wow, strong stock. Strong stock. This thing is whippy, man. Wow. Another fire, another halt. Man, we gotta stay with the stock. I had a feeling. So that was a 10-minute halt here. Now here was a 5-minute halt. This should be a 5-minute halt too. Let's see, because the volume is a little less, right? So 10:03, so 10:08, so 7:08. I'm gonna go 7:07 and give us 30 seconds to look at this thing. Let's see what it does. Man, 5 minutes looking straight up. It's the second candle of the 5 minute. Okay, in a couple of seconds should be the 5 minute halt, and then we have to wait to see if it was in the start of the minute or the end of the minute, and hopefully it's not gonna make us wait a full minute to realize that is a 10-minute halt. So let's go. It's my dump. I need to get a, there you go. I need to get a dip before it rips too hard. You're gonna go to 25. Nope. Ah. If it goes, man, it's gonna be, oh God. He wants to. Oh, I gave too much back. 24, 26. One more loss, I gotta quiet down. Whoa, I gave all my money back. Easy comes, easy goes. So it's not with the wicks, so it's kind of confusing me now. It's not with the wicks at all. It's just gonna halt down now. Wow. Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go, bro. Break at 22. Nice. Got a nice pop. I'm trading blindly right here, right now, because I don't know if this is following. I think it's following now. Now I feel like it's following now. There you go. Now I can trust this. Halt up 25.32. think it's gonna pop to 323. It's gonna skyrocket. There you go. I knew it. Nice. Okay, gotta be really careful. Now I'm gonna size down because this thing is getting gnarly. I'm gonna size down. I'm gonna keep as much as my money as possible. So I'm not as experienced to actually use this in my advantage when it comes to. Let's go for the HaltUp. It's gonna halt up. It's gonna go. Ah, rejection, guys. See if he's gonna try again. Nope. Whoa. It's gonna claim 24. Nope. HaltDown 20. Okay. I'm glad I sized down. You know, that was a big rejection. Okay, one more off this lows here, 23. See if we reclaims 23. Battling to keep it. I'm gonna hold this position for a second. Not anymore. Okay, I'm done. That was it. I'm gonna leave it alone, guys. Leave it alone, you know, quit while you're ahead. I gave $800 off the top. This is it. I don't even want to see it anymore. This is a lot. I'm gonna call it, this is my record day. And only sized up on such a high price stock because my previous videos, this is day 6, I slowly build up to a amount of money that I made, paper, of course, right? Hypothetically, that it gave me a cushion to risk more. So that's why I felt more inclined to size up. So I'm gonna call it. I hope this helped, and I'm gonna leave some the list of the stocks I know we moved in the past, so you guys can train, and also I will leave the description of the link for the script of this HaltUp and HaltDown levels. This is amazing. Helps me out a lot. Have a good one. Bye-bye.